All right, and now for part 3, the final part of your study guide. If your iTunes playlist says it has music for 2.8 days, how many minutes can you listen to music without repeating a song? So that means how many minutes, minutes equals 2.8 days. Well, I can convert days to hours, so I know that one day has 24 hours. So now I can cross out days. But I need to know minutes, so I'm going to convert hours to minutes. Well, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now I can cancel out hours, and I'll be left with minutes. So if I multiply in my calculator 2.8 times 24 times 60, it will tell me 4,032 minutes. If I want to use significant figures, I know that this has 2 significant figures, so my answer should have 2 significant figures. That 3 is small, so I'll keep it the same. So when I round my answer, I will get about 4,000 minutes. Now here I made a typo. There are 12 inches in a foot. So that might change your work here. A mile has 5,280 feet, and there are 12 inches in a foot. How many inches is a 2.5 mile track? So how many inches equals 2.5 miles? So let me convert miles to feet. Right here it says a mile has 5,280 feet. So 5,280 feet is 1 mile. I can cancel out miles. But now I want to convert feet to inches. And there are 12 inches in 1 foot. That's what it says right here, 12 inches in a foot. So I can cancel out feet. When I multiply 2.5 times 5,280 times 12 in the calculator, it tells me 158,400 inches. Now this, let's see, 2.5 miles, that's only 2 significant figures. So if I round that, I will use only the first 2 digits. That 8 means I'm going to round up, so it's about 160,000 inches. Number 3. How many millimeters is a length of 28.0 centimeters? So how many millimeters equals 28.0 centimeters? There's a couple ways to do this. I'll do it the hard way first. The hard way is to say, well, let me convert centimeters to meters. I know that 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So now I can cancel out centimeters. And then I can convert meters to millimeters. And I know there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. So I'll cancel that out. 28.0 divided by 100, then multiplied by 1,000 equals 280 millimeters. Another way to do this is if you can remember that there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter, then 28.0 times 10 equals 280 millimeters. And when I round this number, I can see that I want 1, 2, 3 significant digits. So really, all I need to do is make sure I have a decimal place. Now it has 1, 2, 3 significant digits. And I'll get the same answer in both places. Exactly 280 millimeters. Now for the last one. How many meters is 12 inches? Remember that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So how many meters equals 12 inches? Well, I know that it's okay. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So when I and then I need to convert that to 100 centimeters in 1 meter. I can cancel out inches, cancel out centimeters. 12 times 2.54 divided by 100 equals 0.3048 meters. I can have 1, 2 significant figures. So I will change that to just 2 significant figures. That 4 means I round down or I keep it the same. So this is my final answer.